This is a video of the Carousel restaurant dollhouse kit, and just to kind of give you an idea of some of the detail that you can see in this kit, you can actually see desserts, donuts, cakes, what have you. Sorry, I'm holding this by hand. This is supposed to be one of those toy grabbing machines. Cake wall decoration. There's a scooter out in the front. This is the carousel part, which actually turns and has a musical. And then the upstairs. There were a couple more chairs I could have put in here, but I decided not to. And it also came with some railing that went out here on this part of the roof as you come out this door right here. You can see the stenciling that's done on the fake glass. This is the battery box that goes into the back hole here. And so it gives you an idea of the carousel, and you can see my other Super Fortress model in the background that I've covered in another few other videos. Thank you for watching.